Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram Reels lag. If you're also facing the same issue in your Android or iOS devices, then do the following step. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we are going to launch the Instagram, tap on the profile icon, then tap three lines in top right corner. Here we have to tap on setting and privacy, and under setting and privacy we have to scroll, and here we have to find and tap on data usage and media quality. Now we are going to tap on data usage and media quality and turn off the first option, use less mobile data. Now go back, force close the Instagram app, then tap and hold the App Store. Now tap on updates and check the list is there is any update available for Instagram. If there is, then update the Instagram app as well. That's it. By doing this simple and easy step, you will get rid of this issue. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.